In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a document on your iPhone without downloading any application. Once you're on your home screen, look for the application called Notes and click on it. Right down here, you're going to see an icon to start a new note. Click on it. Once you've started a new note, click on this icon. You're going to see several options. Click on the option to scan documents. Place your camera above the document you want to scan, and it's just going to scan it automatically. If you have multiple pages, continue swiping your pages and scanning page by page. When you're done, click on Save. Now your document is saved and you can see the number of pages you scanned. If you want to change the name, if you want to rename these documents, just click on the drop down icon here, choose Rename and type the new name you want to use. When you're done, click on Save. And if you want to save this document or share it to yourself, just click on this icon here and then you can email it to yourself or just save to files.